So the way I discovered Etsy was one of my friend's girlfriend. I remember we were at the pub and we were talking, and she was like making like 50 quid a day selling on Etsy. I think it was even less than that, but she was making like a little bit of money selling on Etsy. At the time, I was really like, I was full time focusing on the My Licorice brand, mylicorice.co.uk, for all your sweets licorice needs. It's a website I run, brand I run, and own. And she was like, Etsy's really good, and he was telling me like, yeah, Etsy's really good. She makes like little fucking shitty bracelets and stuff like this. And yeah, so I listed the licorice brand on there. It started getting some sales, but at the point we were doing like 70, 80K months. We were doing very large months with the licorice brand, and it was going very well. So I didn't want to distract myself from that and focus on Etsy, because with the sweet stuff, it wasn't doing like crazy numbers. It wasn't going like crazy, but we got like 200 orders from selling on licorice, right? Very small. And this was back like 3 years ago. It was like 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago. And, no, 2.5 years ago. And then like a couple months went past and I was running a home goods brand. I was really focusing on my home goods brands. Again, I still run these to the fucking day. And one of those brands is October 2021, so 2 years ago, literally this month, I started running the brands, added some products to Etsy. First month I did 4K, second month I did like 32K. So yeah, it worked really fucking well. And then I kind of didn't really focus on it too much because I was doing other stuff. I was doing dropshipping, Shopify, and then I came back to it and it started really working when I was putting a lot of time and effort into it.